My name is Jim Kojola, also pronounced Kojola. It's a Finnish pronunciation. I'm from Maple Lake, Minnesota, and the cabin is in the Hibbing area of Minnesota. My friend Paul Wilson and I decided that we'd like to build something, and I have this land up north here in my family. And we ended up making plans to come up here in 1978 to start building. I was really worried about the cabin because my concrete piers were shifting off of the logs themselves and off of the rim joists that held the floor. I had no idea how I could save the cabin. Once I got DBS, contacted DBS on a Saturday, and with an email, and I got a response right away. It was like, wow, this is really cool. And then all of a sudden, we're making an appointment with Jake to come up here to meet. And everything happened really fast. And I met Jake. He's such a great guy. We showed him the cabin, showed him the problems of the project, my apprehensions of some of the things. Jake was great. And so he went back to the office and talked to, I think, Joe and whoever else in the office about it. And so we kept talking about the process. And all of a sudden, we had a date for August. And it was like, wow, this is incredible. In comes Trevor and Gavin, and with the big trailer and their little Mini. And right away, I liked the two guys. They seemed very capable. And we talked about the process of what they were doing, how they were going to do it. Right away, they got going on the piers and taking my concrete piers out with that Mini, just pulling them right out of the ground and putting the helical piers in. And the boys worked so hard underneath the cabin, jackhammering concrete piers underneath the cabin for the center I-beam. Working together with them was really great, and they seemed to appreciate the fact that I was the owner-builder, that I knew how it was done. So it was a really good team effort. Everybody I met from DBS was great. So Jake, first guy I met, great. Joe came here. Joe, perfect. Really understood, both those guys understood the project. Then Trevor and Gavin came, and they were awesome to work with. And here comes Madeline and Brittany, and they took pictures and movies and all kinds of things, and they were awesome too. And now Emily has come also. So everybody I've met on the phone when I call DBS, really friendly. It's amazing.